Today I'm unboxing Convict Conditioning. Okay, so we're just gonna open it up here. So this is Convict Conditioning. It's a body weight exercise routine based off of being in prison like this guy was, using your weight of your own body and things you have around you, like the bars of your cell or chairs or different things, to create a workout routine. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, turn on the post notification bell so you never miss another video, and leave a comment. Let us know if you've ever used Convict Conditioning or read it and what you think of it, and we will see you on the next video.